Okay, I'll respond. So, okay, let us start the program before we lose the time. Okay. Okay. Hope everyone able to see the screen, right? If you are unable to see the screen, please let me know. Unmute yourself and then let me know or send a message. Okay. Okay. Welcome
Sir,
to.
yes.
Sorry. Please let me know your name.
Yeah, I'm seeing the screen.
Okay, great. Yeah. If anyone unable to see the screen, let me know. Okay. We will start the program. Okay. So I said I am Ravindra. I have 20 plus years into a lot of MNCs I work for. And I have extensively worked on many projects on full stack development, Pythons, and all latest tools in AI tools, generative AI tools, copilots, and we build. I am into product development for last 20 plus years. So I'm bring a lot of knowledge and experience to the table. So I hope you all make use of it. Um, right? So whenever you have doubt, anything, any small doubts, feel free. Uh, don't hesitate. Either you send a chat message or unmute yourself and stop me, and you can ask the question. Okay. Be interactive. I'm expecting this session is more interactive. At least you say yes, no. Sometimes mute and then just give answer so that I know you are all listening, right? Okay. Okay. So you all joined for Python program. Hope you are some are first time programmers. Sometimes some people have knowledge on Java or other programming language. In your college, you may have heard some programming language, C, C++, any other things, right? So Python is also a programming language. That means a language is a speaking, right? How we speak to others. Like that, programming language is a set of instructions we speak with software, computer, right? We give computer with a set of instructions. It execute those instructions and give us the results, right? So Python is also a programming language, and it is widely used in automation scripts. Like you have large data sets, running a nightly scripts and building reports, offline reports, or REST API endpoints. So many things Python is used in everywhere, right? Whether it is a AI development, machine learning, automation, test automations, right? Any programming language, any scripts, if you want to write on data or running some logic, it is used Python. Okay, and it is created by a Dutch programmer, Guido van Rossum in 80s, and it's very popular from then, and it is extensively used across the spectrum, not just one specific language, and very speed. It is the speed is also very good with Python, just like any C program. It is also the functionality and the performance are very good with Python, right? And first released in 1991 to the world, and then we have multiple versions coming up, uh, right? So today we are at 3 plus, version 3 plus, 3.x series. We are in. Okay. So anyone has questions on Python? Any doubts, any questions you have till this point? Why we want to learn? What's the use of it? So any questions you have? Okay. So you have some questions, we will try to preempt it. So easy to learn. So Python is simple and readable syntax. It's like simple English we talk, right? That's how we use Python, and it is simple and readable syntax. At the same time, it is very powerful also, right? To execute many complex algorithms, complex logic, a simple logic, anything Python is useful, and very quickly we can write program with this. and it is used everywhere, right? As I said, development, data sciences, automations, artificial intelligence, machine learning, many areas. So there is no restriction on any specific area, it can't be used. And the great thing about this is it's a free and open source. So right, it's not any like Java is by Oracle, right? Like C++, it is also very open to use, and it is easy to download, and everybody can use quickly. And we'll see this one, how quickly we can install, set up your system with Python, and how to use the Python, right? Mm. Any questions till this point? Anyone? Am I audible, or everyone can listen, right? Can you
Yeah,
please
yes.
say, type one if you are all good, right? Or put some a thumb or something like, yeah, perfect. Big button.
Around చెప్పిండు ఎవని ఆడు చెప్పాలి మరి మనకు
Jason, can you please mute?
నేను చెప్పిన అంటే అసలు
Jason, can you please mute yourself? There is some background. Okay. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, done. Right. So yeah, just type one if you are good till this point, or some thumb. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's move on. So basically, Python is it's very high demand in IT companies, software companies, right? So because Python used everywhere, right? Whether it's a web development, or if it is a machine learning or generative AI, or any of the areas, it works, right? Any of the domains, whether it is industrial, it is a pharma or banking, everywhere these systems are, Python is used, right? And so learning Python is very much essential and useful for all the programmers, right? So at least a programmer should know multiple languages. One of these should be Python. Okay, and it has a built-in very powerful libraries. Whether you want to do graphs, or you want to do mathematical calculations, you want to build some complex algorithms, it has a very built-in framework. So you don't need to invent everything. You can use libraries, and you can build your solutions very quick and faster on this. Very easy also, right? So this is what. Okay, so what we cover in this program, right? So we have Python basics. So we talk about fundamental concepts right from beginning, scratch, assuming you're the first timer in this program, right? So we write from variables, conditions, loops, right? And iterators, data structures, right? Many things we will cover as part of this program, and we will do hands-on problem solving while doing and while learning this basics. Okay. So, and we will don't worry, if you don't know much on before anything of software development, right? Programming language, we all, it will taken care with very simple terms, easy terms, and slowly we will cover each and every concept with hands-on. So when you say hands-on, we expect you will have a laptop, right? And we will for the first session we will do installation of Visual Studio Code as an editor, source code editor, and Python installation. Everything go step by step, slowly, and all the material is given to you, right? Even after the class, you can refer it, right? So you don't need to worry if you don't know anything before a programming language. How am I able to solve this? Am I able to write a program? You don't worry about them. Okay, we will take care of step by step, slowly. Even whatever background you are, engineering background, commerce background, so don't worry, you all can write programming, right? Successfully. Just you have to stick to the program till the end, right? And even though initially if you feel bit hard or confusion, don't worry. I'll repeat as many times as you want. We will cover till you get answer, right? And then Python advanced. So we talk about more APIs to build, how to access the database, how you are going to write queries, right? And how to access from client server architecture. These are the areas which we'll cover in Python advanced. And libraries. Libraries, powerful tools like we use NumPy, mathematical libraries, graphic libraries. We use some of the things in libraries, right? And part of this, we do mini project, right? Like you write any of the interesting mini projects like building some database of books or a database of songs, whichever you like, you can will do, or a small e-commerce, how e-commerce transaction happens, small use cases we will take, and we'll develop some mini projects so that you apply all your concepts. The biggest problem with programming languages is many people know the knowledge, but how to apply that knowledge, where to apply. If I give a problem statement, right, then how to apply, what are the things, should I apply here a loop, or should I apply a condition, should I apply, what variables I should have, what data structure I should take. So these things are very critical. Many people know the language, but sometimes they may not know what is applied. So we will, part of this project, you will expose to applying your concepts which you learn, part of the basics, and right, and your career growth. Once you are become employed, by doing all these things, you will become employable, right? Once you have employable, you will confidently handle the interviews, and you can crack it, right? So first you become employable, then you try, you will certainly have a success, right? Yeah. Till this point, any questions in this slide? Anyone? Any questions? Any doubts? Any questions? Please type 1 if you have, if you are okay with this, you understood. Okay. Please respond. Sir, throughout the class, one expectation from me, from you is you be interactive, be at least sometimes say yes, sometimes type something, whatever way, right? Be available in the class. Full focus, attention you give here, right? Certainly you will make this Python easily, you can learn it, right? Okay.
All good so far.
Thank you. Thank you, Amit. Okay, so let's moving to next line. Okay, so course benefits. I told you, the career advancement. So if you are Python, opens up numerous opportunities. If you already know some programming language like Java, someone is Java, and then they want to learn how to apply this Python in agentic frameworks, right? So they will upgrade to that as well. If somebody, if you are new to the programming language, it opens up the knowledge, right? If you know one language, and if you have applies only one area, rather than you apply multiple areas, multiple domains, this is the place, right? Python is the useful tool to build great applications. So once you are equipped with this tool, your employability will go up. Hmm? Okay, hands-on experience. As I said, we talk about practical hands-on projects, mini projects, right? You apply your concepts, what you learn. Those things are part of this curriculum. It's not that every day I teach and then you listen and go, right? You will share your screen, you will do your program, right? At least if not all people, some people will share the screen. You will, on a rotation basis, we take, and I expect you to compete for sharing the screen so that you write the program, and I explain you while writing the code and what mistakes you're happening or anything. So you learn far better, right? So industry relevant skills. So obviously these all get you industry relevant skills, right? You have better job performance, and you have better growth in this. Okay. So what we provide here as part of this program, right? As while you learn through class, you share your screen, you build the programs, you write the examples. Every day I give examples or some tasks for you, assignments. You do it in the outside of the class. At the same time, you have a dedicated support with live mentoring. If whenever you have a problem, you just ping that in the group. You will get support from my team for any of the if you stuck somewhere, if you feeling not able to confused or whichever way, right? There is no restriction. Anytime you can ping that and you will get the support, right? And you will get bi-weekly mock interviews. So after while we cover some part of the course first 2 weeks, every bi-weekly, you will get some interviews, how you are learning that, and you can assess yourself, and as well you get assessment about you. And if any weak areas, if any lacking, so we can cover those areas, okay? And real-time projects and bi-weekly projects. I told you real-time projects, we discussed about it, and bi-weekly project reviews, right? Once you do some projects, we'll review it, and if any lacking, we can help you in solving the problems. Okay. And resume preparation and career guidance. So what is the resume preparation? How you make your resume ready for automatic tracking, application tracking systems. So nowadays, it's not, resumes are not done by humans, right? If you send a resume to company, hundreds of people will send, thousands of people will send. How your resume will pick up there? So there is a ATS, application tracking systems. So you have to be ready, your resume to be ready with the ATS. How get selected from your resume, right? Like that. And career guidance. So we'll help you in where to apply, what are the opportunities coming up, those things it will be given to you. Okay. And you have daily class recordings. So whatever we discuss through the class, you will get recordings. You can go through them again while doing the practice, while doing the exercise, right? And you can sort out there. Topic wise, theory and practical documents. You will get documentation topic wise, and you can go through them. Okay. Any questions till this point?
All good, sir.
All good? Thank you. Hope everyone is giving attention and going through. Okay. All good? Anyone? Okay. Lavanya. I want to clarify that I got a degree in healthcare, so I needed Python to analyze healthcare data. I hope these classes help me to get in. I didn't have much knowledge. Perfect. Yes, Lavanya. You will get, even you are the perfect application for Python. I know you will have a lot of data, millions of records from your databases. You can write code, scripts on analyzing them, right? If you learn that, certainly it's a added advantage, and it's um, very useful for you to write your analytics on that data. And if you have data available, it's far more thing you can do. Okay, Lavanya. I guess at least whenever you have, please type. Feel free to type. I will go through the chat. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Anyone have any questions? Okay. I'll move on. Whenever, don't need to worry. If you have questions, you can ask later also, or anytime. Okay. Okay.
As
So, yeah. Go ahead. Who's this?
only Python we have jobs, sir.
It's not like that, but Python has applications are far more, right? You write test scripts. I mean, there is no standard answer that Python has. Python has applicabilities more. Even JavaScript has more opportunities, right? Even Ruby and Rust, there are many are, but your utilization is more. But as a normal, as a good chances are, if you have at least two languages, right? A Python and JavaScript combination. So that will help you cover more. Most of the industries working on two things, right? One is Python, another is JavaScript. JavaScript based Node.js, Express.js, right? Python has fast APIs and React.js, React. So those things. So if you learn these two areas, JavaScript and Python, you will cover for most of the jobs.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, Python is certainly should learn, right? Even my kids, I ask them to learn Python. Okay. Okay. Perfect. So what you get after this end of the course completion in once you have, so it's a completion certificate you will get, and online and classroom sessions we have. So MCQ tests and soft skills grooming, you will get part of this program, and you learn some sprint and agile methodologies. So how you project management, if you give some project, let's say we do part of the mini projects, we do we just discuss about sprints, how agile methodologies are there, while how corporates are doing projects, just they give program and immediately they don't write programs, right? So they have a process to do it, right? For every how we do it. So I part of this, I extensively handled many products in this sprint and agile methodologies. I share you some of my experiences part of this program. Okay. And you get technical support throughout the program. Anytime you have access to live support you'll have, and you'll get interview questions and answers on all topics, right? Yeah. So course timeline. So we have we have 6 weeks program. This is, so you have introduction to Python, like fundamentals. I told you data types, variables, conditions, right? Loops, data structures. We'll talk about it. And from week 4, in-depth exploration on data structures, like lists, dictionaries, sets, essential for effective Python programming. And week 6 we'll have participants present their capstone projects. So you will do some mini projects. You'll present them and showcasing your skills acquired through the course and demonstrating real world applications of Python. So you are not just learning some concepts. Okay, I know if condition. Somebody asked you what is if condition, right? But interviews don't go that way, right? I give you example, right? So then if I say, hey, I have a data set of one class students, right, or employees, and I want you to write a program to display who are the top earner, who's top salary, who is the medium salary, who is the lowest salary, right, and what are the skill sets. So if I want to ask this is the statement I give, then you have to apply this statement in writing your program logic, right? Then you have to choose which if should I get if condition, where should I use for loops, where should I use what data structure I should use, what variables I should choose. So these things you should able to make out from that statement, right? That's where your skill is valued. Otherwise, if okay, how you write if condition, or you write if for this and this, right? For loop, okay, this is the for loop. Anybody can write, right? Yeah. So, but if you learn how to apply that knowledge, where to apply, that makes you a lot of difference from others. Okay. Yeah. So we discussed this about career benefits. Python is most demand skills, Python developer, automation engineers, like you write test automations, right? Or nightly builds. So many things which you use in the DevOps, they use in the cloud automations, they use, right? So many areas Python is used, not just one programming language. As part of programming language, it used on many areas, right? If you want to host cloud, Google Cloud or AWS, so to automate many things there, tasks, they use Python. So you can become a data analyst, like some Lavanya asking about how she can write code on their data, pharma data. You can write programs and you become data analyst. So data scientist, right? So how you want to build some algorithms, you are right? You can build that, like AI machine learning. If you give an object to identify that object, how you write, right? So there are a lot of deep learnings you can do with the Python. And you can be web developers also. Okay. Are we good till this point? Any questions?
Yeah, good.
Good. Thank you. Okay, so hope everyone are good. So if you this course helped me land in my dream job, right? So I mean, when we are 20 plus years, so we learned many ups and downs in we have saw part of the software development, right? So I myself hired hundreds of people, interviewed hundreds of people in my job, part of that. So we I know exactly how the skill of a person should be interviewing. So I help you the real-time skills, right? And we have trained many people, and many joined as part of data in in automations, in generative AI. So we in Python they join in many companies, right? Okay, so if you are good, so we ask one favor from all of you is please send a WhatsApp message. I attended today's demo, Python demo, right? So can you help one message? Can you send with this to this number 810-609-0080? Can you send a WhatsApp? I'll wait for this your message. You can write your feedback. Good session. I like it. Whatever. Just send one WhatsApp message. Please. Yeah, Bharati. Have already trained in Pega and trying to search for job. Now, should you recommend me to go for Python training and or JavaScript? Yeah, you should learn Pega is a tool, right? So it's a programming language. Inside Pega, they may be using some programming language in part of this. So if you know Python and JavaScript, most of the products, any Salesforce, Pega, or any other tools, they are inherently, they give some features out of box, but some they allow you to write your own logic. So for that, you should know programming languages, right? So I suggest you to learn both Python and JavaScript, starting with Python, right? So this will help you to cover all 360-degree opportunities for you, right? If you are, any tool, if you go any product, so this knowledge helps. Yeah. So may I expect send WhatsApp messages all? We are waiting for your messages. Just send you are attended today's demo session. Yeah. Once you send, please can you please type one here, whoever sent? Thank you. Thank you, Amit. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, Basha. Thank you. Thank you, Venu. Thank you, Sham. Thank you, Neeraja. Thank you, Lavanya. So, Amit, we'll be touching Python data science concepts. Yeah, I'll give you the knowledge and the application. You can apply any data, right? You can use libraries from science data, science concepts, or mathematical concepts. You can use Python for that, right? So I introduce you some libraries you can use.
Are you going to cover all libraries, Ravindra?
All libraries, huh?
Yeah. So related to the data science, agents, So all these libraries we are
I'll
going
give
to
you
cover in this
introduction
session.
based on the time availability we will cover. Certainly, I'll give you pointers for that.
Mhm.
But some see, it's all about you, right? If you come
Mhm.
back, I'll suggest you. I'll give you the direction pointers, right? If you want to, you can choose your mini project on something, right? Like a data,
Mhm.
some agent. If you want to build, you can build that, right? If you know the fundamentals, you know how to library, how to import library, and how to start using the methods in the library, right? You can build that,
Okay.
right? So I'll give you help, and if whenever you stuck somewhere, I give you hand holding on it, right?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's all time driven. So, but if you spend more time, certainly we are happy to guide you more.
Yeah. Sure. Thank you.
All are done. Anyone left? Sending message? Okay. So before we leave, can we do small exercise? Someone can we we'll start some hands-on session today. We'll set up your Python on your machine, right? Who are having VS Code on your system, on your laptops? Everyone has, or whoever don't, whoever have, please type 2. Number 2. If you have VS Code on your machine, on Python, just say, if you have VS Code, type 2, Visual Studio Code. We use VS Code every day to write programs. Yeah. Thanks, Venu, Basha. Yeah. Yeah. You all have VS Code, right? Great. Only 3 people typed. Others, if you don't have, please type. Let's say whoever don't have, please type 3. One is fine. One is not having. Okay, fine. Srikanth, can you say what is this one not having? Okay. I hope that's what it is. Okay. Can someone share your screen? Who want to share your screen? So we will do the live installation of VS Code. Whoever don't have on the machine and Python. Okay. And who want to share the screen? I want you to come forward, right? You want to share. Otherwise, I'll ask you name someone. Amit, can you share your screen? Because you don't have VS Code, right?
Mine is a Mac though, like if that's okay.
Yeah, fine. Mac is fine. Any system is fine. VS Code works.
Okay. No, yeah, okay. Because it'll be installation is a little different for others. Well, hold on. I'll share my.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, we'll do one in Mac, one in Windows also.
No, that's fine. I can figure it out. Like if
I'll show
even
you.
Windows.
Just share your screen. I'll show you. I will tell you. Just VS
Okay.
Code. Yeah. If whoever don't have, please go to VS Code, download on your Google. Let me share the link for you. Okay.
So I have downloaded VS Code from the site and installed it here. So now
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
checking.
So just I'll yeah, code.visualstudio.com.
Oh, sorry.
No, I shared the link.
Okay.
Okay, let me see. Where is this? Yeah, whoever don't have Visual Studio, go to this link and download. Okay. Mm, Amit, did you share the screen?
Yeah, I did. Are you guys not able to see it?
1 minute.
Yeah, able to see the screen, Amit's screen.
Yeah,
Oh.
okay.
Maybe I should stop this. I think. Okay. Okay, everyone downloaded VS Code? Okay, so Amit, you shared the screen, right? Okay, now you install the Visual Studio Code. Perfect. Now go to Python, download. Go to your, yeah, open the Visual Studio Code and then
You want me to look for the extension?
just add, you can you download Python. Go to python.org. Maybe the browser you go to. Can you go to browser and download Python? Let me share the Python also. Windows people also can use that, same link. Okay.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I can see the screen. Yeah, you can download latest version. And I'm typing Python download also. Please use that, everyone else. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Whoever feel, if you want to feel comfortable in Telugu, I speak Hindi. So you can communicate in your preferable language. This out of these three languages, right? Hindi, English, and Telugu. My mother tongue is Telugu, so feel free. No need if you are not comfortable with English and no problem. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Which version we need to take?
Latest
3.15.
version. Yeah,
That is a
latest version.
pre-release one.
Release don't take supported links like 3.14.0 is there no? Latest version.
3.14 is there.
Okay, I'm in Mac. Mine is Mac. So can you, yeah, 3.14.0 is there no? What
Yeah.
is it on Windows? What is it showing?
It's 3.14 only, the stable version for Mac
Yeah, go
also.
ahead and yeah, install that 3.14. Take the stable version only, okay? Everyone. Even started downloading? Whoever completed download and installing Visual Studio Code, please type 4. Whoever completed Studio, VS Code, please type 4.
We need to tick the checkbox for use admin privileges and add python.exe to path. Both options we need to check it out.
Sorry, your name? Your name is saying user. Sorry.
Yeah, Mahesh.
Mahesh.
Yes.
Yeah, Mahesh. So what is asked question is you are on Windows machine, right?
Yes.
So have you installed Visual Studio Code?
Yeah, I'm complete.
Okay. Have you downloaded Python?
Yeah, I'm doing that one. The initial it is asking for the use admin privileges, one option, and the add python.exe to path. Both the checkboxes are there. We need to check it those options or simply.
Admin, yeah, I think you can use your admin, right?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Can you share your screen, Amit? If you, I think you're comfortable, right? I'll take Mahesh's screen.
Yeah, like which one do you want me to share or?
No, 1 minute. Let me. I think no. I'm asking Mahesh to share the screen. Okay, Mahesh screen I'm saying, right?
Yeah,
Installer is being retired and no longer be available for Python 3.15. Select install now to install the record. Okay, go ahead and install now. So everyone is doing. Can you please type someone 4? I didn't see anyone VS Code 4. VS Code is for 4, Python is for 5. Whoever done, please type. Perfect, Neeraja. So Neeraja, once you're done Python also, please type 5. Others, if you stuck somewhere, please let me know, okay? Please send me, you are unable to do message, I will help you.
Hey, Ravi, I just logged into my laptop, okay, and I'm not able to see the VS Code link in the chat. Can you please repost?
Oh, repost, huh? Okay.
Hmm.
Both I will repost. Yeah, I reposted
Okay.
both links, VS Code and Python.
Yeah, Ravi.
Okay, close. Yeah. Okay, now open your VS Code. Can you open the command terminal first, CMD? This is also fine. Okay, it's okay. Open the VS Code is there now. Now, can you open? Okay, can you go and open your command terminal? See, in Windows you can set CMD. Command prompt, yeah. Can you type Python there? Py. Yours is Windows, right? Type py. Enter. Perfect. Control C. You can exit from there. Control X. It is Control C. Control X or Control Z. Exit or you type exit there. Doesn't work. Again type now exit. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Now go to your VS Code. And one more thing, can you please create one folder? Everyone, please create folder in your go to Windows File Explorer. Yeah, some drive, C drive or D drive. Create one folder. Folder training. Say, okay. Right. D is preferable if you have D, otherwise C. Yeah, create one folder called trainings. Python training. Yeah. Always prefer to use single words, right? Then okay, go inside. Okay, and go to your VS Code and go to VS Code and file. Click on file, open folder. Okay, choose your training folder now here.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay.
Sir, a
Now,
quick question. I installed the Python 3.14, but when I do a Python 3 version on my terminal, it still says 3.13. Do I have to do any terminal upgrade or something like that?
don't do anything. It's okay. 3.13 is also fine. Doesn't not make
Okay.
difference.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Copilot and all don't choose now. Just select get started now. Now you go to your move the cursor on Python training here, left side. Mesh.
Okay.
ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది కదా ఇక్కడ ఒక సెలెక్ట్ ఏం చేయకు జస్ట్ మూవ్ చేయ ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయదాన్ని జస్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయ see there is a plus folder icon, file icon. Click on file icon. New file. Just say hello.py. Use all small letters, okay? For now, file names and all use small letters. Don't give spaces and all. Compile it because we have to do manual hand compilation with hand. Okay. Now here type print in brackets hello world.
Just a question. Do we need to disable path length limit?
Sorry, 1 minute. Within quotes, hello world. Sorry, come again, please.
Disable path length limit after installation. Do we need to disable this or leave as it is?
Whose screen? Can you share your screen?
Give me a minute.
Yeah. See, when you see the dot here, see Mahesh, there is a dot, right? Everyone see there is a dot, hello.py, dot. The dot means it is not saved. The tab, right? Control S. Control S. Just Control S. Okay. Now you see here 3 dots are there in the menu. In the top, file, edit, selection, view. Right? Here 3 dots. Here the file, edit, selection. No. Here left side. The top menu, file menu is there, no?
Okay.
The 3 dots on your file, run, terminal open. New terminal, correct. Amit, you able to do this?
Yeah, I was able to. Yeah.
Okay. Now you are good. See the path you observe. Everybody should understand the path systems in software, right? D:Python training. Okay, he is in. So the terminal is showing that. So your file hello.py is here. Now you type py space hello.py. Mesh. Perfect. It's working. So you have VS Code, you have Python. You are good. So we can start happily with you. Okay. So anyone else done? Sorry.
Can I stop?
Yeah, you can stop. So from tomorrow we'll do the programs.
You're able to see my screen?
Yeah, I can see the screen. Yeah.
So
what is saying?
Disable path length limit. Do we need to disable it or leave as it is? Close.
Close. Don't do anything.
Okay. Visual Studio, like I said something. I've created the folder.
Okay. Open file. Open folder. Open folder. Come down. Yeah. Open folder. అక్కడ తీసుకో. ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ క్రియేట్ చేశారు కదా? Yeah. Choose that folder. Perfect. ఇక్కడ select that plus icon. Yeah, trust always. Yeah. A plus file name, hello.py. Okay, you could print hello world. Brackets lo within quotes hello world. Bracket through space ఉండకూడదు. Print through space వద్దు. Print brackets in double quotes hello world. Okay, control S save.
Okay.
From terminal ఉంది కదా పైన మీ ఫైల్ సెలక్షన్ లో టెర్మినల్ న్యూ టెర్మినల్ తీసుకోండి. Terminal new terminal. Right. Okay, now you are in training. Yeah, py space hello.py. Perfect. On, you are set.
Oh,
Thanks.
thank you.
Okay, anyone else struck? Even you have to be interactive. So this is how class will be, right? Every day you have to someone share, you have to follow, you have to write the code, right? I didn't see anyone. Only Neeraj, you able to do the Python?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you able to run the Python code, right?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Who are struck? Can you please let me know who need help? Lavanya, you able to do? Omkar, Basha, Venu. Perfect. So please type 4 and 5. If you did VS Code 4, Python 5. If you quickly do it, we'll wind up the class for today. Perfect. Perfect. Venu.
Is it 5 days class or 6 days class?
Yeah, it's 5 days.
Oh, only weekends. Weekdays, sorry.
1 minute. Yeah, it's Monday to Friday. Weekends you'll have sessions available anyway. The live support and all will be there. My team will.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Live classes are from Monday to Friday. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir,
Anyone?
offline also possible, sir.
Yeah. Offline also possible.
Okay. I'm nearby the institute only, so that's why I'm asking.
Lab you can come anytime. Lab is there, so you can anyone can come throughout the day. They can use the lab, right? We have support here. Someone will help you while if you are stuck with somewhere. So feel free to come to institute every day. Yeah, there's a dedicated person here, so who will give you support, right? So come and learn. All are done. I think I didn't hear from Satish, Jyoti, right? Sai. Jyoti, perfect. Sai, Satish. Okay, then okay. Was it? Okay. Okay, so we are good for today. Any doubts, please send a message on the WhatsApp number, the earlier you have sent. So our team will respond quickly about that. Okay. Anytime, feel free to reach out us. We are happy to help you. Okay. So we'll close this session for today. See you tomorrow, same time. Any questions? Hope you enjoyed the class, and we'll see you in the whole course. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.